All right, subscribers, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, we drop detailed and pressure washing related videos, but this video is about repairing your 6-gallon central pneumatic air compressor. We're about to dive right into it. Let's get it. We have removed the 4 screws to hold the lid on. Now we're about to take the lid off so you guys can see what's underneath. Alright, the problems have been exposed. We do see we have a broken hose, as well as the vibration caused the bolts to come out of the motor. We have to replace those. Stay tuned, let's get it. Now I'm about to head to the hardware store, pick up a few lock nuts and washers, put this motor back on, and try to pick up this hose. Alright, the hose is in an L shape. I'm about to bend it to make it work for me. Stay tuned. Alright, this is a quick look at the lock nuts that are underneath the plate to hold the motor on, but stay tuned, let's get it. Will this happen to anybody else? I don't know, but it happened to me, so I wanted to share with you guys how I repaired it. Stay tuned, we're almost done with the video. Let's get it. Alright, it's definitely charging up and holding air, so we're definitely going to attach a tool to it and make sure it still cycles on and off as the pressure builds and it drops and builds. So stay tuned, check it out. And if you're with me this far, thanks for viewing. It's definitely cycling on and off as it should. It's definitely holding pressure. It's not leaking any air. So Thanks for viewing, guys. The fix definitely worked. The link will be in the description below for the L-shaped holes that I did use in case anybody needs it. But this is what caused this whole problem, was this little rubber foot came off, causing the air compressor to be off balance, so it always rocked back and forth when it was charging. But thanks for viewing. Peace.